Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delisamaee. For today's video, we are diving into a pretty pink polish collection by the one and only Born Pretty. If you guys have been on the channel, you already know that we are actually so lucky to be sponsored by Born Pretty, and they actually just sent over these 6 pretty pink polishes. If you are new to the channel, my name is Delisamaee and I am a licensed nail technician. Yes, I did those last night. And we on the channel bring nail art, nail designs, nail tutorials. So if that sounds like something you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe down below, like the video, share the video to somebody who might like nail art or nail inspo, nail tutorials. And before we dive in, we are pumped. I was gone for the last week on a little mini vacation to Minnesota. I actually got to spend a ton of time with some family that I haven't seen in years. I got to hang out with my little nephew, got to spend time with him, and that was absolutely amazing. I also had a huge ceremony for my dad. So it was just such a beautiful thing to be able to celebrate my dad and everything that he's accomplished in his life when it comes to the Hmong culture. I myself was also able to perform a couple of songs. So I will just leave a couple of photos, maybe a little video here, so you guys know where I have been and where I have been, what I have been up to. It has been such a busy weekend, and I am so happy to be home. I'm excited to be in front of the camera with you guys. So I hope you guys are just as happy as I am. Like I said in the beginning, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and let's dive in. Now that we're finally in the nail studio, I'm excited, and you best believe I'm going to use these long nails to rip off this cellophane. I am so excited to finally check out these 6 different colors. When Born Pretty reached out and said that they wanted to send some product, I was so extremely excited to see what they had to offer. Now, me myself, I'm not normally a pink nail girly, but let me know down in the comments if you would like to see me do a full pink set. You guys already know I'll be changing my nails weekly, and so I might have to do it. I might have to do it. I'm just getting the rest of the things that I need. Yes, I did order myself my own Born Pretty base and top coat. I've been using Kira Sky on the channel, I think, since I first started, but I thought let's keep it cohesive. Let's keep all the products the same for this video. And so we are pumped to try out the base and the top coat. Now, one of my subscribers down in the comments let me know that I should just buff the nails and then go right into the polish. I am gonna take that advice and I'm gonna just buff out my test swatches so that we can get them ready. I have my little dusty so that we can just wipe away any excess dust after buffing out these nail swatches. So I'm just cleaning up the area, making sure everything is ready to go for when the polish and the LED light is out. Okay, so let's dive into our number one. This one is called Pink Muse Milky Jelly. I don't know who comes up with these names, but they are absolutely precious. I am just taking a look at the polish. I'm looking at the consistency, and I can already tell that this is going to lay down so perfectly. Now, you can already hear it in the name, the mousse milky jelly. So you can see that I'm getting that mousse, and then it's also laying down a little transparent. And so I'm also kind of getting that jelly feel. But I'm gonna tell you guys right now, for just being the very first coat, it is giving very much full coverage. I am just making sure that I'm going over the nails so that the polish is nice and even, and then I'm gonna get that ready to cure for about 60 seconds. I'm just doing a quick little look, making sure that we don't have any fuzzies after taking it out of the LED light. And then we are now going in with our second coat. Now, I always remember my teacher saying, don't worry about the first, lay it down. And then once you hit it with that second coat, it is so perfect. And I'm gonna tell you, it looks absolutely stunning. It's giving Valentine's. So I already know that this collection is going to be huge, super popular when Valentine's Day comes around. And then if you guys want me to do that full pink set, let me know. I can add a little pink cat eye. I can do little 3D art, almost something similar to what I have on my nails right now. If you guys didn't already peep them, they are so precious. Love them so much. So, we are going to review our number one. So nice. I feel like this is classy pink Barbie. Definitely a win. Let's try our Muse Milky Jelly number two. This one is giving very much a hot pink, and it's so nice because it almost looks neon without it actually being neon, right? And with the jelly aspect, if you wanted to do like one coat and add a little bit of blooming gel, that would be pretty dope. Or even like a nice gray cat eye with this neon pink jelly on top of it would look stunning. Now, I'm not gonna lie, it looks beautiful all by itself, and I cannot wait to see what it looks like once it's done being cured. Now, I know I don't necessarily need to clean up the outsides of these nail swatches. I pretend like I am a perfectionist, and I just want to make sure that when my clients take a look at all the different nail selections, that they can see that even my nail swatches are nice and clean and cut, which is so funny. And it totally doesn't matter. But to me, it matters. So let's go ahead and cure it. As it's done being cured, I'm getting the next bead ready to apply on our swatch. I will have to say, once I hit it with the second coat, it is giving more so than I thought that it would. I am falling in love with each and every one of these colors. I feel like Miss Barbie would wear these on her little fingertips and her 10 toes. If you guys are pink girlies when it comes to nails, let me know down in the comments. Are these so far what we've tried some of the colors that you would want to wear for yourself? It's almost giving like a neon kind of jelly, and it's beautiful. It's hitting my heartstrings. I am definitely loving number two the most so far. I know we've only tried two polishes so far, but I'm gonna have to say I'm getting pretty excited. So for our number three, this is giving like chunks of glitter. And I feel like I may have used too much, but I wanted to make sure that the glitter was even and spread out the nail, right? And I should have just been following what I normally do, which is like my one thin coat and then hit it with the second. But when I look at this, it's almost giving like starburst, pink starburst. Pink starburst are my husband's favorite starburst, which is really funny. Mine would have to be the red one and then the orange. But this one is definitely giving juicy starburst, and I am loving the pockets of gold that's picking up in the light. I'm curious to see how this one will cure since it has, like bigger chunks of glitter, but I am just making sure that everything is even before I cure it. And it looks actually pretty good, pretty even once cured. And then now we're gonna see what it looks like if it's giving more glitter on that second round of polish, making sure everything is spread evenly. And I feel like with the second coat, definitely pink Starburst. Which Starburst flavor is your favorite? And which one would you fight your siblings for? I'm just kidding. No fighting of the siblings for candy, but I am curious because if you guys did not know, I have a really big sweet tooth myself. I love me some brownies. I love me chocolate, obviously like gummies and sour candy. I love it all. So I'm curious, what's yours? We have number three in all of her glory. Definitely so pretty after the second cure. Now, I definitely went a little heavy handed on that second coat. I felt like it was a little bumpy. Rolling right into number four. I am so excited to see what this will turn out because how many different polishes of pink can you have and how different can they be? But Born Pretty never ceases to amaze me because this pink is like a hot pale pink. So for all my girlies who like that ballerina, almost like I don't know, like almost like pushing the border of like a nude pink. I feel like this Muse Milky Jelly number four is perfect for you. I feel like this would also be a really nice color for like underneath like a French tip. I also feel like this would be a really nice color for someone who is just getting back into nails or someone who doesn't necessarily know where they want to start in their nail journey. I feel like when I look online, there are so many different types of art and so many different ways you can go about doing nails. This is a nice option for someone who's like, hey, I just want something cute, quaint, classy. And number four is the one for you. I am loving it. It's giving like a sherbet, like a strawberry sherbety kind of look. It's so funny because as soon as I start talking about sweets, you guys can see how much of a big back that I am. But number four, giving strawberry sherbets. Okay, so now we are going to try number five. As I am twisting off the bottle, I am so anticipating how this is going to turn out. We've already swatched four beautiful pinks, and I am so curious as to how this is going to lay down. And when I finally get it down on that swatch, it is giving pink Laffy Taffy. And yes, we are going to keep rolling on with the pink sweet treats because that is all that I can think of with me, myself, being a big bag. I also feel like this is giving like a classic pink lemonade, almost like the Calypso drink. You guys know which one I'm talking about. What's really nice about this collection is that I'll be able to offer like a variety of different pinks. I feel like when I first started doing nails, I had the Model Ones like basic gel polish and it came with maybe like two or three pinks and they definitely weren't as vibrant or as poppin as the Born Pretty. Now you guys already know we are so lucky to be sponsored by this brand, so I will leave the link down in the description box below so that you guys can get your beautiful hands on these stunning pink polishes. You guys, let me hear it. All right, let me calm down and let's review our beautiful pink lemonade Laffy Taffy pink. This is beautiful. I am so excited to present our Muse Milky Jelly number six. This one is almost giving like ballerina tutu. This one is giving swan princess. I am loving how pale pink this one is. I feel that any like pink fairy or just someone who is like, hi, I'm here and I want just a smidge of pink would be number six, our Milky Muse Jelly. It is beautiful. I love the brand. You guys already know that I can speak to the consistency. My clients love the Born Pretty brand, and I hope that you guys will be able to experience Born Pretty for yourselves. If you have already, or if you own a ton of Born Pretty that you have not seen me review here on the channel, please don't forget to let me know because I'm always down to try new things. The second polish on this swatch is just hitting me so differently. I love it so much. I feel like for my nails, I might have to do this pale pink. This pale pink compared to like my almost like foresty blue green nails. I fell in love with this set. I did my nails before Minnesota, and then I came home and I was like, I want to change them again. Now that we have number six cured, this is what she's looking like in all of her glory. Absolutely perfect. Perfect, pretty pink polishes by Born Pretty. We have all of these beautiful polishes all laid out. I'm now grabbing our Born Pretty top coat. That's so funny. I almost said Kiara Sky. I literally can't. But we are grabbing our Born Pretty top coat. This is their super top coat, which I am super excited to try it on these swatches. And look at this brush, you guys. This is the first time I've ever seen a brush like this. And again, I've only been doing nails for about 3 years. And as I am applying this top coat, oh my goodness, the application with this brush is so nice. I cannot wait to use this base and top coat for my clients because the way that it glides on and I don't have to like stress out about making sure if like it's even because the brush spreads out so nicely. If you guys don't have this base and top coat, definitely get your beautiful little hands on it because I am very, very happy with the consistency of this top coat. As you can see, I'm going through each and every color, making sure you guys get to see all of these stunning pink polishes. I'm gonna have to ask you guys down in the comments pretty pink polish, pretty pink polish. Okay. We finally got them on our key ring, and this is what they look like in all their glory, and they are perfect. All different shades of pink, born pretty. You've done it again. Here I am just cleaning up our station, cleaning up the nail studio, making sure that everything is put back into place. And I'm so excited to create my next nail set with one of these pink polishes. If you guys have a favorite, let me know down in the comments because I'm curious and I might just pick yours to do my next nail set. Oh, I wanted you subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feelings. Can't fight the way I feel. What did you guys think of all of these gorgeous pink colors in this collection? I would have to say I love them all. I'm not normally myself a pink girly when it comes to my nails, but I know one of my girlfriends, Elizabeth, she'd be loving her pinks. So I'm so excited for her to be able to check out this video because, girl, you better tell me which one you want to do next. I can't. Any losers, I want to hear from you. Let me know down in the comments which one your favorite one is. Let me know if there are any brands out there that you want me to try. I will leave the product link for this stunning collection down in the description box below. So if you want to get your beautiful little hands on it, definitely check it out there. I am so pumped. Thank you so much for making it to the end of the video. Since we had so much pink going on, go ahead and leave me a little pink heart. I want the pink double heart, like the small one, and then like the other small one. I want the double pink. Leave it down in the comments. I appreciate you guys so much, and we will see you for another video soon. Bye. Oh, I wanted you subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feelings.